dear Goenkans, I welcome all of you to my EVS class. This video lesson is in continuation with chapter 5, Plants Around Us, which is on page number 34 to 40 on your EVS textbook. Dear Goenkans, in today's topic we will learn about the aquatic plants, and we will also learn about the different types of aquatic plants. So kids, let's learn about the aquatic plants first. Plants that grow and live in water bodies like ponds, rivers, lakes, etc. are called the aquatic plants. These plants have evolved special features like air sacs for flotation, increased number of stomata, small feathery and specialized roots to take in oxygen. Some examples of the aquatic plants are lotus, water hyacinth, hydrilla, etc. Now dear Goenkans, let's learn about the types of aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are categorized into three main types. The first one is floating aquatic plants, the second one is rooted aquatic plants, and the third one is submerged aquatic plants. Let's learn about each one of them. Floating aquatic plants. The plants which float on the water are called floating aquatic plants. The roots of these plants are not fixed in the water bed. Roots of these plants absorb nutrients from water directly, as roots are not fixed in the soil. They have spongy bodies. Like a sponge, there are a lot of empty spaces throughout their body which is filled with air. This makes the plant light enough to float in the water. Some plants like duckweeds, green algae, wolffia, water hyacinth and pistia are some of the floating plants that float freely on top of the water. Second type is rooted aquatic plants, or we can say fixed aquatic plants. Some aquatic plants which have their roots fixed in the waterbed are called rooted aquatic plants or fixed aquatic plants. These plants have thin, long, hollow and very flexible stem. They bend with the flow of water so they do not get damaged by strong current. They have plate-like leaves that float over the surface of water. The leaves of these plants have a waxy coating that prevents them from getting wet. Examples are water lily and lotus. Now dear Goenkans, let's learn about the third type of aquatic plants, that is submerged aquatic plants, or we can say underwater plants. The plants which live and grow underwater completely are called submerged aquatic plants or underwater plants. The roots of these plants are fixed in muddy soil. These plants have narrow, thin leaves without pores. These plants move around the current. Such plants have delicate shoots. These plants breathe through their body surfaces. Examples of submerged aquatic plants are pondweed, tape grass and hydrilla. So dear Goenkans, in today's video lesson, we learned about the aquatic plants and we also learned about the different types of aquatic plants. I hope you people have understood it well. Thank you so much.